Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Today's video 16 mutual funds which are given more than 35% profits. Due to the fantastic rally in Indian stock markets since the corona crash in March 2020, stocks and mutual funds have created significant wealth for investors. In fact, in this period from April 2020, not only stocks but also mutual funds have done well for investors. We are sharing a list of some performing mutual funds in the last 5 years in different categories for you to understand how mutual funds are profitable. These funds have given more than 35% per annum average returns in the last 5 years. Edelweiss Mid Cap Fund 5 years returns per annum average 36.72%. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund 42.43%. Tata Small Cap Fund 38.33%. Quant Small Cap Fund 48.31%. Bank of India Small Cap Fund 38.53%. Quant Flexi Cap Fund 37.19%. HDFC Mid Cap Opportunities Fund 5 year returns per annum 35.99%. HSBC Small Cap Fund 38.47%. JM Value Fund 35.65%. Nippon India Growth Fund 36.95%. Nippon India Multi Cap Fund 42.01%. SBI Contra Fund 36.09%. Franklin India Smaller Companies Fund 37.78%. Quant Mid Cap Fund 38%. LIC Mutual Fund Small Cap Fund 36.18%. Invesco India Small Cap Fund 37.78%. Please note that the performance has been exceptionally good due to the good performance of mid and small cap stocks in the last 4 to 5 years. The average returns over a long period of time, 10 to 20 years, will be lower than the figures mentioned. Another thing is that the selection of funds is one aspect of creating profits. However, monitoring and deciding whether to continue or shift funds is equally important. This is similar to stocks where selection is important. However, if regular monitoring is not done, there is a good chance that the returns will be lower than the expectations. Also, in mutual funds, selection of funds should be done based on age, risk appetite and requirement of money. We cannot just select funds because they may give higher returns in the future. The funds which usually have potential to give higher returns are also usually the most volatile, and hence it may be difficult to face extreme fluctuations for many investors. But this list of mutual funds will be good to study so that you will get an idea on how to select funds for the future in case you are looking out to invest in mutual funds. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section what percentage of your total savings is in mutual funds. Type the percentage in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.